So peeps, this is the next stage. It still looks the same as my last video pretty much, but you can start to see now is a bit more sheen here, and that's because the lacquer is a clear coat being applied, but I have to work my way gently through this until it passes the flake. So if you imagine this is the flake here from the bottom to the top, then the lacquer has to be through all of that until eventually it ends up about here. And then I can sand and polish this zone, if you understand what I mean, from depth. So that's what we're going to do now, slowly but surely, a little bit each day, because I let it breathe now for at least 12, 15 hours at a time. Because if you put too much on and then apply another pile, what happens is the gases are trying to come out and you're blocking the gases and it causes blisters and so on. So just gently every day, they get plodded along with lacquer until it's high enough for me to start to polish. Take care.